Welcome to another video in the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we present our new add-on, the Dose Response Analysis Package version 2. This add-on provides all necessary tools to investigate dose-response relationships, like calibration curves, spike and recovery, or curve comparison. Version 2 adds Hill equation and two-parameter logistic models to its repertoire. It also introduces the interpolation of standard responses to the curve. We also updated the dashboard and reports to contain additional statistical details, like the EC50. Furthermore, the add-on comes with multiple usability enhancements. Before we step into the details of the new features, let's have a look at the PLA 3.0 update strategy. PLA 3.0 receives continuous improvements and enhancements. Major new capabilities are introduced with every version of PLA 3.0 and its add-ons. New versions of PLA 3.0 contain comprehensive and novel features, as well as refined functions. Add-ons allow entirely new analytical options and comply with state-of-the-art methods. While new add-ons or add-on versions take advantage of the most recent PLA 3.0 version, you can update PLA 3.0 and its add-ons independently. Let's now look at the exciting new features of the Dose Response Analysis Package version 2. First, we expanded the analytical capabilities of the add-on with additional regression models and more interpolation options. The newly added Hill equation supports you in fitting nonlinear response data that range from 0 to 100%, making it a very useful extension, for example in binding assays, or if stability in smaller datasets is a concern. The other new model, the two-parameter logistic model, allows more flexibility in describing the response range. Either specify samples to converge the asymptotes, or simply enter the values. This model is also ideal for smaller or even incomplete datasets. Furthermore, you can ensure validity of the standard curve by checking interpolated standard responses. The detailed report now shows the calculated substance activity and its recovery based on the assigned concentration per step. For your convenience, we also added more results to the dashboard and reports. Each full curve fit now shows the EC50 on the dashboard, next to the parameter estimates, to better assess assay performance. For even more transparency, the model formula is also provided, including details on the parameters. This supports you in comprehending the model fit, or compare the model between applications. Finally, the add-on enhances the overall usability in many areas. The add-on now fully supports attachments. Utilize this feature to view, print, and export plots in the highest quality. Or add external files, like SOPs or related data, to the document. We also facilitated the method definition of equivalence margin development, by providing dynamic summaries to each section. In addition, we streamlined the labels of suitability tests and regression parameters. And visualization plots now scale consistently to each other. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.